Now we are ready to start with the diffusion preprocessing. Create a new process and select Stage Data. Choose your first subject and select the anatomy data and the diffusion data. Select the aligned T1 scan and the raw AP and PA diffusion scan. Once the data is staged, we can submit a new app. Search for mrtrix 3. As input, we will use the ACPC aligned T1 scan. Select the PA scan as the first diffusion scan and select the AP scan as the reverse diffusion scan. For the phase encoding direction, we will therefore choose posterior anterior. Leave all the other options as default. Make sure you also check the box to archive all output. And for dataset tags, type and enter ACPC aligned. After that, you can hit submit. It depends on which resources are available when your process will start running. In my case, it took about 615 minutes for the process to be finished. Now we can view our results. The BVEX flipping is a common source of problem for diffusion data analysis. All axes should show more no-flip evidence. The more apart the flip versus no-flip evidence is, the better the image quality. Now let's view the results with the viewer of choice. I'm choosing FSL eyes again. Here I'm checking the data for any abnormalities. Am I seeing any artifacts in the data? Am I seeing major distortions? You can also check the quality of the image by submitting an app. I would like to create an image to check the alignment of the diffusion and the ACPC aligned T1 scan. Select your preprocessed diffusion scan and your aligned T1 scan. Again, make sure that you also archive your data. Next, add a tag for your data and hit submit. Also submit an app to generate an image of your diffusion scan. It's always good to generate images of the different scans that you have. You can choose the volume that you want to select. Perhaps your B0 is the first volume or the last volume, and you do not want to show this one. Add a useful tag to your data and hit submit. First, let's check the alignment. Here we can see the result of the alignment. We have the T1 scan with the diffusion scan overlaid. Next, we will check the diffusion scan. Because I did not select a specific volume, we will see the B0 scan. Once you're happy with your results, we can move on to the next step in the tutorial.